Hey, this is John from StepRanger. Brought a StepRanger up here into the mountains here in Montana on a cold winter day. Wanted to just test some mixed terrain. We've got pretty good slope here, about 30 degrees at maximum slope. Got a mix of snow and different terrain. I put a couple 100 pounds of wood in the StepRanger just to show how it performs under load on some mixed terrain, and we'll try to test it to its limit. Yeah, just checking out this slope, it looks like it ranges from about 20 to 30 degrees, and definitely 30 degrees is pushing it, but the StepRanger did climb, and I think as long as you have some decent traction, that's about the peak slope that it can handle with a decent sized load of a couple 100 pounds. Yeah, so a lot of people reach out and ask about performance on mixed terrain with holes and divots and small logs, rocks, things like that. So we have a pretty good mix up here. I'm just gonna drive around and let you see how it performs. I've got a pretty decent sized load here, and yeah, let's just see how it does. So a lot of people ask about the differential and if we have a differential lock. We use an open mini differential and it's not locked. However, because of the driver's orientation and the steering column, when you do get slipping on one wheel, you can shift your weight to get traction. And I'm in a spot here where this left rear wheel is slipping a bit. And I just want to demonstrate how I can use my body weight to shift and get traction on that wheel and pull through this spot. Slipping here, but I'm just gonna lean into that. So we were able to test the StepRanger with about 250 pounds on a slope up to 30 degrees, and we got some mixed terrain in here. So hopefully that's helpful in understanding what the capabilities are. And if you have any other questions, you can just reach out to me at hello@stepranger.com. And please be sure to follow us and subscribe. We're gonna make a lot more content like this, testing the StepRanger on different terrain so you can really understand its capabilities. Thanks for watching.